The mind is the birthplace for all of man's scientific achievements. The mind knows no limits when used properly. Think of a pentagram, Donald. Now put another inside, a third, and a fourth. No pencil is sharp enough to draw as fine as you can think, and no paper large enough to hold your imagination. In fact, it is only in the mind that we can conceive infinity. Mathematical thinking has opened the doors to the exciting adventures of science.
I'll be doggone. I've never seen so many doors before.
Each discovery leads to many others, an endless chain.
What's the matter with these doors? Hey! These doors won't open. They're locked.
Of course they are locked. These are the doors of the future, and the key is...
Mathematics.
Right. Mathematics. The boundless treasures of science are locked behind those doors. In time, they will be opened by the curious and inquiring minds of future generations. In the words of Galileo, mathematics is the alphabet with which God has written the universe.
If you go to Berkeley, where I got my PhD, you can buy a t-shirt which says, "In the beginning, God said, the four-dimensional divergence of an anti-symmetric second-rank tensor equals 0, and there was light." Ladies and gentlemen, this is the equation for light.
Physics is not mathematics, and mathematics is not physics. One helps the other. But you have to have some understanding of the connection of the words with the real world.
Mathematical thinking has opened the doors to the exciting adventures of science.
Now, the physicist is always interested in the special case. He's never interested in the general case. He's talking about something. When you know what it is you're talking about, that these things are forces, and these are masses, and this is inertia, and this is so on, then you can use an awful lot of common sense, seat-of-the-pants feeling about the world. You've seen various things. You know more or less how the phenomenon is going to behave. Well, the poor mathematician, he translates it into equations, and the symbols don't mean anything to him, and he has no guide but precise mathematical rigor and care in the argument.
See, even Richard Feynman admits that applying advanced mathematics to physics is only beneficial if you have a solid grasp of what you are actually referring to in your equations. And this is the whole problem. This is exactly why Copernican cosmology does not fit biblical cosmology. Because ultimately it is a gross error to assume that we can calculate the physics and the mechanics of the heavenly realms. Can we quantify every aspect of the spiritual dimensions into our equations? Do we really think we can quantify the angelic aspects of our reality? Do we really think we can come up with a theory of everything and reduce the knowledge of the Creator to a mathematical equation? Such is the hubris of Luciferian ideology.